So I'm Stacey Ely, and I serve as the Senior Director for Community and Government Relations for Ballad Health, and involved in our communities across Southwest Virginia, Northeast Tennessee. In 2020, when the pandemic started, the reaction of the church was, what can we do to help? And, everything from a bag of chips and a bottle of water to full meals at our facilities across Southwest Virginia. And that is such an encouragement to the team. And, we got through a lot, and we saw our numbers drop, and everybody sort of breathed a sigh of relief. And then the second wave hit, and it hit harder, and it hit worse, and the people are sicker, and the team is even more tired and even more exhausted. And the church came again and said, what can we do? We want to support your team. What do they need? And quite honestly, they work so hard and they work so fast that they don't have time to stop and eat a full meal. And what they really needed was encouragement. At Ballad, we're really concerned about the mental health of our frontline caregivers now. The things that they see and the things that they go through every day it's more than any one person should have to bear. They become the family to some of these COVID patients. Nurses and doctors, they see death, but they've never seen it like this before. And it's heartbreaking. And so the notes of encouragement that the folks here at Highlands took the time to write by hand, just to say thank you, just to say, hang in there, we're praying for you, that may have been the only thing that caregiver saw in a given day that was positive. And Pastor Allen has been so good to pray for our team and to meet with our leaders. And he said, this team is here for such a time as this. And they need to be reminded of that. A principal at an elementary school in Bristol, Van Pelt Elementary, he attended the service that we took the time and wrote the notes, took it back to his school, and those kids wrote and drew the most amazing cards for our team. To love on your neighbor. I mean, Jesus cared for the sick, right? He stepped in when no one else would. He encouraged when nobody else thought he should. And that's what this church has done. You've stepped in to love on and care for our frontline team in a way that truly shows Jesus' love to them.